A 10-ton machine is hanging on a jack, you're underneath it, checking a line, tightening a bolt. Now imagine that jack suddenly slips. If the load isn't properly supported, there's no time to jump, no second chance. That's why blocking and cribbing can literally save a life. In this video, I'm introducing our blocking and cribbing online training, a practical, 13-minute course that helps you ensure every raised load is stable, supported, and safe. If you work around hydraulic jacks, cranes, hoists, heavy equipment, or vehicles on stands, this course is built for you. Any lifting device can fail, jacks leak down, hoists slip, and ground settles. This training explains, in clear language, the difference between blocking using wood blocks, stands, or supports and cribbing, building stable, layered towers for taller or uneven lifts. You'll learn how to choose the right materials, when to use hardwoods versus softwoods, and why jackstand ratings must exceed the load. The course also covers inspections, spotting cracks or crushed fibers, and removing any questionable material from service. You'll see safe techniques for lifting, positioning, and raising equipment in stages, using proper cribbing stacks, plus how to work safely on uneven terrain, level loads, and stay clear of pinch points. By the end, you'll know how to build solid support, prevent collapses, and work confidently around jacked or lifted machinery. Complete the course to earn your certificate of completion from OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.